Hi, welcome to a graphic. Do you need a photo editing service? We provide all kinds of photo editing services: clipping path, photo retouch, background remove. Every service per pic is 25 cents, and in 24 hours, background removing services reduce out or eliminate undesirable objects and photograph background. Are you a photographer, online seller, or e-commerce business owner? Need expert background remover to knock out or exchange photo background? Often, you will have a graphic with an ideal problem alongside with a subpar environment. Or, sometimes, you'll have an amazing shot of a product that's marred by using distracting surroundings and additionally different objects. In different cases, you want to isolate your difficulty to use inside a digital image composite a good deal more. eGraphic is a world-famous history elimination carrier provider. Use guide as nicely as a hand-drawn clipping route and picture overlaying to do away with the background. Thank you. Good day.